Hi boys and girls, happy Wednesday. I hope that you had a great half of your week so far. I'm excited for some more learning we have today, so I'm going to switch my screen and show you what we're going to be doing. All right, here I am on our Wednesday page. I got to this page from our home screen and then clicking on the Wednesday link next to the number 1. And you can tell that you're going to do those 3 activities. You can do more, of course, if you'd like to, but we're aiming to work for an hour to an hour and a half each day. So after you watch my video that I'm making, it's going to be right here, then you can come down and see what you'd like to do. So one of the activities you could choose is checking in with me. There's lots of different ways. At 11 a.m. we'll be on Zoom. You can click right here for that link. And today we're going to be reading Time for Kids magazine. All right, here's a reading activity. You can read a picture book or a chapter from a chapter book that you've been reading, and then write me a 3 to 6 or more sentence paragraph telling how you are the same and different than a character in your story. So you're comparing yourself to those characters, comparing and contrasting, seeing how you are the same and how you are different. Think of lots of different ways if that's what you're going to do that activity, okay? All right, here's another activity, and this one is all about volcanoes. So I have an awesome book here that's going to tell you lots and lots of facts about volcanoes, and this relates back to those books that we've been reading about rocks, because the way that those rocks are formed, some of them are formed through the volcanic process, okay? So you're going to listen to this about volcanoes, and then I would like for you to tell family members 2 things that you learned about volcanoes, okay? And ask them if they know any more about volcanoes. That would be awesome for you guys to have a conversation about. All right, here's a math activity. Today we're going to add in yards. So yesterday we worked on inches and feet, and today we're going to work on inches and feet and yards. So all of those measurement links are related. And then after you watch that video, then I would like for you to find 3 objects that you think are 1 inch. 3 objects. One that you think is 1 inch, one you think is 12 inches or a foot, and then one you think is 36 inches or 3 feet, okay? And then use your objects to measure those to see how close your estimations were. Remember, to estimate an inch, you can use your thumb from the tip to this knuckle. To estimate a foot, you can use your foot with the shoe on, and then to do close to a yard, you can do 3 of those feet, okay? So 3 foot lengths with a shoe on, friends. All right, here's our healthy habits activity, and today we're talking all about dreams. So part of sleep is having dreams, and so there's science behind why we have dreams and what we think about when we dream. So after you watch that video, then I would like for you to think about, do you ever remember your dreams, and then what can you learn from your dreams? So this video talks lots about dreams and kind of how they relate to our life. So do you ever have dreams, and then what can you learn from those dreams, if you can learn anything? All right, and then here's our art activity, which is drawing a volcano. Since we're learning about those processes that take a long time that shape our earth and the things on our earth, I thought it would be awesome for us to learn how to draw a volcano. So here's a video for you. Then you can come down here, click here, and go to the home screen and find that number 2 to do those extra resources. All right, friends, I hope you have a great Wednesday. I will see you on Zoom. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday. Bye, friends.